up and ready to go. We're gonna go to Long Beach today, and we're gonna do something surprising that we usually don't do, and I've been always wanted to do it for a while. So we're gonna go sailing. Let's go. Alright, we just arrived to our hotel and everyone's here and we got a pretty good view. A little harbor view. There's the Queen Mary over there.
Looks nice.
Nice place.
Oh, look at these chairs. Oh, these are nice chairs.
Alright. We're gonna go walk around, go have some dinner, and we'll have some fun. We're gonna do a little walking downtown.
Yeah, it's okay. We can go
From my
that way.
hotel. We're just gonna walk across and just
This is
go
where
do a little sightseeing.
your dad and I went over here for that comedy.
Hey, babe. We're just walking across the street from the hotel. So walking distance. Should be fun. We're just walking the Long Beach Shoreline Park. And just taking a stroll in the night, just to kill time for the night. We're going to be done here shortly. And my son and wife back there somewhere. Alright, so we're going to take a break here at the lighthouse. And we will be there tomorrow afternoon. There's a boat somewhere right there. The Shoreline Village. And we will be departing tomorrow at 4. So we'll see you then. Alright, we're taking a quick hike around the Shoreline Village in Long Beach. And just walk around and do some sightseeing before our boat trip.
You forgot where we're at.
I know.
Like, wait, where
Almost forgot where we're at.
Don't drop your phone.
It's windy today, so it should be a good time for a nice sailing trip. See how it goes. Alright, we're getting ready to go to the boat ride right now in about 15 minutes, so see how this goes. There we go. Going down the boat dock.
Oh, very cool.
See how it goes.
Well, I'm glad you guys booked the 3 hours.
Yeah.
Hold out a little bit longer and we'll be able to sail down.
goes. Let's go. Woohoo!